Top 4 vitamins for eye problems. Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep your eyes healthy for life? The answer lies in 4 powerful vitamins that most people aren't getting enough of. In this video, I'll show you how to supercharge your eye health with simple, science-backed tips. Stick around till the end and discover how to protect your vision for years to come. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is widely considered the most crucial vitamin for maintaining and improving eye health due to its multiple functions and benefits. Here's a detailed breakdown. Essential for vision in low light. Vitamin A is a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that allows the eye to see in dim light. Rhodopsin absorbs light and sends signals to the brain, which helps you see even in low light conditions. Without enough vitamin A, the production of rhodopsin decreases, leading to night blindness or difficulty seeing in low-light environments. Maintains a healthy cornea. Vitamin A helps keep the cornea, the eye's outermost layer, smooth and clear. The cornea acts as the eye's protective barrier against dirt, germs, and other harmful particles. Insufficient vitamin A can cause dry eye syndrome, where the cornea becomes dry, leading to irritation, blurry vision, and even corneal ulcers if untreated. Prevents eye diseases. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in reducing the risk of several eye-related conditions. Antioxidant properties of vitamin A protect the retina from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to age-related macular degeneration. Consuming sufficient vitamin A may help delay or prevent the formation of cataracts by maintaining healthy lens tissue. Reduces risk of xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is a severe form of vitamin A deficiency that can result in dryness and thickening of the conjunctiva, the thin, transparent tissue covering the front of the eye. If left untreated, it can lead to permanent blindness, particularly in children in developing countries. Boosts tear production. Vitamin A supports the meibomian glands, which help produce oils that prevent tears from evaporating too quickly. This is essential for combating dry eyes and maintaining a stable tear film on the surface of the eye. Best sources of vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin and squash, spinach, and kale, and animal-based foods like liver, eggs, and dairy. Just one serving a day can work wonders for your vision. 2. Vitamin C. Next is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. It's particularly effective in reducing the risk of cataracts and slowing the progression of age-related macular degeneration. You'll find vitamin C in citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, as well as in bell peppers, broccoli, and strawberries. Start incorporating these into your meals or snacks, and your eyes will thank you. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like this video, share it to someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed tips to keep you healthy. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these vitamins you're excited to add to your routine. 3. Vitamin E. Let's talk about vitamin E. This vitamin is like a shield for your eye cells, protecting them from oxidative stress, a major factor in cataracts and AMD. To get more vitamin E, snack on almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts. Even a small handful can provide your daily dose of this eye-saving nutrient. 4. Vitamin B complex. Finally, we have the vitamin B complex, specifically B6, B9, and B12. These vitamins help reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to eye problems like AMD and inflammation. They also support healthy nerve function, which is essential for transmitting signals between your eyes and brain. You'll find these vitamins in poultry, fish, eggs, and leafy greens. Adding them to your diet can make a big difference in your overall eye health.